What's up, folks? Welcome back, Knights, to today's weekend vlog video. We don't got a lot going on this weekend, but we're still gonna go out and have fun either way. I got a lot on my plate right now, honestly. Simply just, the holidays, just got him being sick. My pops, he's out here visiting, but he fell and he's in the hospital, so that's been a lot of back and forth calling his hospital back in Arkansas and then the hospital here and a bunch of other stuff. It's been a complicated week, to say the least. Complicated week. But we're still going to have fun. Today, we have a couple different things planned, and I'm going to take y'all along with us. So let's go have some fun on the weekend. Saturday, let's have some fun, and let's try to work on ourselves a little bit today while we're at it. And of course, we found ourselves over at the Asian Times Square. Yeah, we just love this place. Honestly, we really do. We love this place. It's just so much culture and so much to do there. It is amazing. Show me Colombia, baby. Show me Colombia. Colombia. Where's she from? And then there's Texas. Where we at right now? Right now, from Texas. Colombia. Texas. Ain't that right?
Colombia.
And while we're there, we got ourselves some amazing pastries. I tell you what, y'all, these were so delicious. I never really had them before, except for the one in the middle. This one was like a Hawaiian cheese one, kind of like a pizza, not gonna lie. That was a spicy sausage. Whoo, it was spicy. I loved it. And this one, of course, is the garlic cheese one, like a garlic butter cheese. I had it before, loved it. And like always, we got some photos while we were there.
I love that one. This one. I love this one. These two are cute.
Mira.
They say, if you rub Buddha's feet, you get good luck. Hope it works.
Mira.
And she won that. She won that one in a claw machine. And I won this one in a claw machine. Both of us first try on our individual prizes.
All right, y'all, it's the next day. I just got back from the gym. I was going to give you a quick recap of what happened last night. So we got done eating that dinner I showed y'all, which, by the way, that little pocket-looking thing, that was a kind of like a pork bun, but made with rice paper. Oh, I'll tell y'all what, it was delicious. I had shredded pork in there, well, sliced pork, very, very small sliced pork, spinach and cheese, and it was immaculable. Very delicious. Muy delicioso. Anyway, so we kicked it. She wanted to take a nap, so she went to go take a nap because she was tired. I understand. We didn't get much sleep that night before. I just hung out, watched that new Aliens Earth TV show. First episode. Let me tell y'all, it's actually pretty good. A lot better than I thought it was going to be. A lot better than I thought it was going to be. So I watched that. We hung out for a little bit, and after we ate, ate that food I showed you, plus some ramen, some seafood takasuki flavored ramen or something. I know I just butchered that. Forgive me, but it was delicious. It was very good. Then after I went to bed, the next morning, woke up today, worked on the illustrations for my new kids book, The King and the Two Stars, and the illustrations are actually coming along very well. Officially in the production stage of the illustrations. With my last kids book, I hired someone to do. This one I'm doing all in-house to save some money, because hiring artists are very expensive, turns out. Very, very expensive. Hiring anything artistic-wise is so bloody expensive. I learned this back when I was trying to be a rapper. When I was a wannabe rapper back in the day, I learned it from buying beats. And now I'm relearning it from buying illustrations. Art is expensive. Don't let nobody fool you. Art's expensive. If you can sell your art, you will be one rich motherfucker, I'm telling you. So I'm trying to sell my art. Now, I will be rich one day. Give it time. Give it time. I got whole plans, business plans for a bunch of different things. Last night, I only drank 1 beer. So I'm trying to severely cut back, if not cut out completely, alcohol and beer. New Year's Day, I didn't drink at all. The second day, January 2nd, I was feeling a bit miserable. Just a little bit miserable from not drinking. So I drank that night. I drank way more than I should have, honestly. And the next day, I woke up with a hangover. Not a lot of fun. That was yesterday, Saturday. Woke up with a hangover. Not a lot of fun. But we powered through. And last night, aka yesterday, Saturday, I drank 1 beer at the end of the night, and I called out to that. I'm very proud of myself for that, because normally if I drink 1 beer, I don't stop. So I am proud of myself. That is the growth I said we're going to achieve. I did some growth yesterday. I used discipline. I controlled myself, which is, as you know, my previous videos, it's not something I'm good at doing, but I did it. Yes, sir, I did it. And today, I got up and I went to the gym, right? Now, I worked on those illustrations, then hung out with my girlfriend a little bit, played a little bit of video games, not gonna lie to you, it's a little teeny little bit. And then I went to the gym, got a hell of a great chest workout today. I'm talking about like, I'm hurting right now. I'm hurting. That's when you know you had a really good chest workout. Not hurting like I pulled something, hurting just like I am very sore. And I'm done for the day, but I still got things I got to do. We got church to go to here in a second. I need to go upstairs and shower. I just got back from doing the grocery shopping after the gym. So tonight I'm going to cook some delicious food, probably some cheese and spinach stuffed chicken breasts. Made that New Year's Eve. It was amazing. Plan on making it again today with a little bit less cheese, a little bit more spinach. I'm really trying to eat a lot more spinach. The magnesium in there is very healthy. It's very good for testosterone. And that's what we're trying to raise right now. We're trying to raise testosterone levels, peak, which we will never peak. I'm not going to peak on anything, because I'm going to continue just getting better and better and better at everything in life. And I hope you do too. That's what you should be doing. Never seek a peak, seek a top, and then make a new level on top of that. Always keep aiming for new and new levels, people. And that's what I'm trying to do right now by controlling my drinking, controlling my diet, controlling my exercise, controlling my productivity. That's what we're all about, baby. Now, I'm going to go take a shower, go to church, come back, cook some food, might read a little bit tonight, and I will catch y'all in the next video, Knights. Yes, sir. Have a wonderful day, Knights. Continue to grow how you need to grow. Stay noble and live that noble lifestyle. Yes, sir.
Ay, no, Dios mío, ¿cómo está? Justo me conquisto aquí estresada con unos situaciones de los perros de mi eso después, Dios. Estoy temblando de los novios. Ahí, tío la envy, bien. No te digo que de milagro estoy intacta. Ese golpe fui casi mortal. No te pasó nada. Te raspaste. La cabeza nada. Nada. Dios nada. Dios nada. Dios mío nada. Dios mío, me da un infarto. Infarto? Well, you farting over here? Infarto. Farts. Infarto cuando vi eso.